Hi, everybody. In this video, we try to differentiate between microcephaly and macrocephaly using radiology as they are causing severe doubt regarding diagnosis. Here, we have two CT sagittal images of the skull, the first one at the level of left orbit, while the second image is at the level of sphenoid sinus, revealed marked microcephaly with thickening of the skull. In this slide, we demonstrate how we can diagnose microcephaly, putting in mind that we will use the same parameters to diagnose also macrocephaly. Take your time here and pause the video to read. First of all, we must differentiate between macrocephaly and megalencephaly. As it may cause doubt in radiology, the former means increase in size of the skull, while the latter indicate increase in size of brain parenchyma. Finally, we can differentiate between microcephaly and macrocephaly by using head circumference or occipitofrontal circumference, but do not neglect also clinical data.